What's up guys, just started finishing lock for my gates, and I've just got some galvanized steel because I don't have any regular, and put a hole in there for where the padlock or type lock's going to go. Just need to finish off. I've just painted the sump of the engine again because it wanted repainting. Just there's that engine, its drill. I'll just show you them. I've just clamped them up and marked it all up. In about 10-15 minutes I'll get them welded together, and then I'll show you doing a bit of welding. Oh, it's a bottle there. And see you in a bit. What's up guys, I'm back. Just finished marking it out where that lock's gonna go there. Just marked it out, then laid it on the floor, and 2 planks of wood so it's off the floor. Put the other gate there. There's a big extension lead for my welder, my angle grinder, and my setup. Overalls, I got them 2 years ago at college, or 3 in fact. My first pair of overalls. My welding mask, bought that for like 15 quid off eBay. Not bad mask that. And some gloves, leather gloves, thick ones. They were brand new and they were a bit annoying at first when I got them because the inside they were horrible, but once you use them a while, eventually your hands fit into them and the fingers get like that, and I like gloves like that. That's my second grinding wheel for these gates. So yeah, my welder, I'm going to hook everything up, get dressed. Well, I'm going to get dressed first, hook everything up, and then I'm using some 2mm welding rods there, and then we'll get that stuff welded on and see if we're done, and then I'll tell my dad and see if he's impressed with it, and then if he is, we'll get it mounted on wall. Oh, I think these want trimming in the middle. I'm not sure because they're a bit unlevel. I don't know. I think they'll look alright like that. So yeah, see you in a bit guys. I'll just get started and I'll show you me getting set up and maybe do a bit of welding video of myself welding. So yeah, see you in a bit. What's up guys, I'm back. Just got my plugged in, welders plugged in, hooked up, and I've just got my overalls on. Bit mucky like, but oh well. Then that'll do. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just gonna get my block and weld onto that. I'm not sure if I should prep it actually. I think I might just run grinder along edge and then on the inside as well, just to get rid of all crap, and maybe give that a bit of a whiz up, and I think I'll do it. So yeah, I think that thing goes there. So yeah, see you in a bit. Right, what's up guys, I'm just going to weld this on. I'll be back in a minute. Right. that on. As you can see, I just welded that on there, and then I'm just going to prep that back up, then I'll see you in a bit. So yeah. What's up guys, I've just welded it on. I haven't welded it on very well. I think there's something wrong with my welder. Every time when I arc up, like every 2 seconds it trips very slightly, and as you can see it's not welded it properly. It just like spits, I don't know, I think it's to do with the power. Anyway, well, I welded it on and it's strong because I've put plenty of weld on it. And then I've just ground it back, then weld it up again. As you can see that side, I just put some big tacks on. Yeah, that ain't a very good weld, but oh well. I don't know if you can see underneath there. Where's my light? Right. Oh, my light don't work. I don't know if you can see me in there. Maybe a bit too dark. Yep, and that's it. I'm just gonna see if it all lines up properly, and then that's it guys. See you in a bit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. So yeah, have a good day.